Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to prompt Grok Imagine. In today's fast-paced digital world, creating visually stunning images or videos can be a daunting task. But with Grok Imagine, you can produce clear and polished outputs with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, understanding how to effectively prompt Grok Imagine is key to unlocking its full potential. This video will guide you through a straightforward workflow, enabling you to transform your creative vision into reality. Let's dive right in and begin by launching Grok Imagine. Once the application is open, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Imagine tab. This tab is essentially your creative hub, the space where all your ideas will come to life. If you find that the sidebar is collapsed, simply expand it to access the Imagine tab. Clicking on it will reveal the area where you'll craft your prompt and view the generated results. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will be your primary workspace for shaping your output. Next, let's focus on the bottom toolbar. Here, you'll encounter a format drop-down menu that allows you to choose between generating a video or an image. Each format comes with its own set of specific settings tailored to different creative needs. Make sure to pick the format that aligns with your project goals. For instance, when working with images, you'll want to select an appropriate aspect ratio and resolution that best suits your subject. A widescreen format is optimal for capturing expansive environments and scenes, while a square or portrait format is perfect for showcasing characters or products in detail. As for videos, consider options like duration and aspect ratio based on the platform you plan to use. Shorter clips are great for quick concept checks, as they render faster, whereas longer clips allow for more in-depth storytelling. Now, let's move on to the heart of the process, crafting your prompt. This is a crucial step, as the specificity of your prompt directly influences the quality of the output. Vague prompts tend to result in generic outputs, while detailed and precise prompts steer the model toward your envisioned result. For example, a simple prompt like "a futuristic car in the city" lacks essential details such as mood, setting, and camera perspective. In contrast, a more refined prompt could be a sleek chrome finish electric hypercar speeding through a neon-lit Neo-Tokyo street at night, with cinematic motion blur and wet pavement reflections in a hyper-realistic 8K photography style. Notice how this version clearly specifies the subject, action, setting, lighting, camera feel, and stylistic finish. When formulating your prompt, aim to use concrete nouns and vivid modifiers. Specify elements such as the time of day, mood, composition, and camera choices like wide angle, macro, or aerial views. If there are aspects you wish to avoid, mention them explicitly. For instance, no text overlays, no logos, or no people. Keep your prompt coherent, avoid contradictions, and prioritize the most important details at the beginning. Once your prompt is crafted to your satisfaction, click the Submit icon and let Grok work its magic. You'll then see the progress followed by a preview of the generated result. Assess it carefully against your initial intention. If it's close, but not quite there, don't hesitate to refine your prompt. You can clarify the camera angle, tweak the color palette, adjust the mood, or modify the level of realism. Submit your revised prompt and observe the improvements. Iteration is a natural and swift part of the process, and with each attempt, you should find yourself closer to achieving the image or video you envisioned. And that wraps it up. If how to prompt Grok Imagine feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online, because plenty more guides are on the way.